Okay, we're going to shoot some updated video of Wade. He is 11 months old now, not quite, but close enough for what we're doing here. This is a phenomenal dog. This is a Pepsi puppy. Goes back deep into our proof and pudding bloodlines. We've got a nice new stud dog that we added into our pedigree here. His father, a phenomenal dog named Zed. Tons of video of Zed that you can see.
Hey, get out of here!
Once again, he's only 11 months old. This dog is exceptional in the home, exceptional in the car. Control on the 11-month-old dog is, it's ridiculous. I can't say enough good things about this dog. Just a super nice young dog. Great attitude. You can tell he's just a puppy here, but this dog has features. He's going to be the real deal. He's already very strong in the car. No one comes anywhere near the car. He's very alert to strangers that come up around the house. This dog is super good with children. His obedience is super reliable. He knows a lot of fun tricks. He's good with cats. He's good with small dogs. You just can't ask for anything more, once again, from such a nice young dog, and he's going to be gorgeous. So the control works great. As long as this guy stands still, Wade's not going to be biting. Back and hold. Left arm, right arm, inside arm. Got all that going on. We've done some muzzle work. Out, hold, bay, control. Again, just a super nice young dog with a great attitude.
Do one long bite. Up. Sit. Heeling down to the end.
I'll stay up here so we can get the action for the long right here.
Hey! Go away, puppy. Oh, sit. Hey! Get out of here! Oh, good.
That's a padded stick. Makes a lot of noise. But it's got a little bit of sting to it, and the whole point of that is simple. You don't want to be spending this much time raising, training, working with a dog that can't take a little bit of a correction from a bad guy without falling apart. Okay, so that's just a little more information about Wade.